Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive off. Although I must admit I did do the drive a couple of days ago when I still had a beard. A drive of this 2007 on a 57 Land Rover Defender 90 2.4 TDCi County with quite a high spec that you can see behind me. Hope you like them. Two videos, one walk around, one driving. There you go. Okay, let's take this 2007 on a 57 Land Rover Defender 90 County for a spin. This is an early Puma showing just under 119,000 miles, 119. Nice spec on this one actually. Right, let's fire it up. Ignition light comes up, oil light comes up, yep, all the lights come up as they should. Cold start light, EML light, and everything goes out when it's started as it should. Yeah, nice spec on this one. Bucket seats, which are really quite comfortable. Small sports steering wheel. I'm not a fan of these, but other people like them. Only thing I can comment on so far on driving is that brakes do need a bit of attention. We will be doing that because we're going to be selling this with 12 months MOT, so we're going to need to spend a bit of time and money on the brakes because it does pull to one side slightly. It doesn't stop as efficiently as it should we say, so that's going to be done as part of the deal. Right, so first of all we'll try in neutral. One thing you do have to check with these Pumas is clutch rattle, and in neutral at idle there's no rattle at all. If I put it into first and hold it in first, no clutch rattle at all. So haven't been through the history yet, so I don't know if and when it's had a replacement clutch at all, but suffice to say that the one that's in it ain't rattling. Right, off we go. Starts on the button, this one, whether it's hot or cold. There's no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. I've just done about 5-6 miles in it. It's getting up to temperature now. As I say, we will be selling this one with 12 months MOT, so things like the brakes and stuff will clearly have to be sorted for that. It's not bad, it just pulls slightly to one side. It doesn't feel quite as stop on a sixpence as they should do. Track's nice and straight, and steering wise it's spot on, it's not wandering all over the road. Letting my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no massive bangs from the A-frame or anything. Seems to be nicely tied down. Pulls well this one. I haven't been through the history yet, as I say, so I don't know if it's been chipped or not. We weren't told it was when it came to us, but it does pull nicely. I'll have to have a look at the history. It does feel quite nicely. No big rattles. Obviously this one's got side windows, so they do rattle very slightly, and you always get the slight rattle from the tailgate, but there's nothing mechanical, should we say. It's rattling or banging. The camera mount itself is rattling slightly. Yeah, power's on up the hill. Nicely. Coping with this bumpy road very well. they're not brilliant. Pulling slightly to the left under hard braking. Better now. But I think we're going to have to get it into our workshop and have a look, see what needs to be done. So I think there we have it really, not much more I can say. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more info. Okay, quick video of the engine running on this 2007 57 plate Defender 90 2.4 TDCi. It's running nice and warm at the minute. I've just done about 10 miles in it. No funny noises. Nothing that shouldn't be there. There we have it.